What's up, everyone? This your boy Neil once again. I told y'all I'm popping videos again. Alright, with the gig economy, let me explain to something. Everybody, I ain't gonna say everybody, but a lot of people want to complain about the money ain't here. The money ain't here. That's bull. Beep. You know, I don't know how YouTube gonna be. It's too many gig economies, apps out here making money. You got Veho. And I'm just naming stuff that I know off the top of my head. Instacart. Spark. Walmart Spark. Lyft. Uber. Uber got Uber Eats, Uber Delivery. So what I'm saying is, learn to turn on and off the apps to go ahead and make money on a consistent basis. So one app may be slow, but the other one's not. Or you're going through those numerous apps to get a certain amount of money that you are going for. Stop saying what you can't do and find ways to make it happen. And that's the thing about business. In business, you must adapt. And if you cannot adapt, then you might as well work the 9 to 5 somewhere or a third shift, right? So work a regular job. There's nothing wrong with working a regular job. But if you in this game, you in the gig economy, learn how to make it work. And those just the apps I named. There's other apps now. There's other apps. So, I forget Roadie. You know, it's other apps out here. I repeat, do not go ahead and get just franchised because of one app that you are doing is not working for you. Okay, one app not working. Next app, same app, or I'll have both of them on. Who come first, right? DoorDash is a little bit more difficult to do that. But with Spark, Veho, Uber, Lyft, you could go ahead and do certain things. It doesn't matter how you do it as long as you do it. I know people who have a hotspot on their regular phone and use another phone for a second app or a third app. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. And then in reality, with the second phone, you don't need it to be actually like connected to like a T-Mobile or Verizon. You could just have it turned on, and there you go. Your hotspot will go ahead and take care of that. And then if a phone call come through, your phone's right there. Just make it work, y'all. Make it work. Don't complain. Go ahead and do what you gotta do and call it a day. All right. So that's my advice, y'all. All right. I'll talk to y'all later, man.